Hi, awesome parents. I'm Benjamin and I used to struggle with math too, before discovering the powerful methods I now teach. Today, I'll guide you through steps that helped over 3,000 children succeed, one small win at a time. Let's do this together. Keywords to me and please read in a proper tone. Go. Tennis, badminton, go on. 17,043. Missing word. Each tennis, that's right. 273. Each badminton. What is 7? What is 7? And what is the 3? 3 is the badminton. Xiaoyang, what is the 5? 2 will represent the tennis rackets and 5 will represent the total number of rackets sold, and 2 would represent the tennis rackets. Okay, that's good. So this would be the tennis rackets. So many of you got the first part correct, so I assume basically you guys didn't have too much trouble doing this. The only fraction we have here is 3/7. So each badminton racket costs 3/7 of the tennis racket. So if I were to draw 3 and 7, it will look like this. 3 and 7, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this would represent the price of each badminton racket. This is each badminton racket and each tennis racket. And you know that each tennis racket costs 273. Information is given here. So that means this, Isaac, how many units is 273? You wrote down on your paper here, right? Can you just tell me what you found? How many units is 273? 7 units, right? Very good. So 273 is 7 units. So if 273 is 7 units, how do I find 1 unit, Isaac? Divided by? Very good. So what is 273 divided by 7? It's 39. Very good. So if 1 unit is 39, then if I want to find the price of the badminton racket, find 3 units. Very good. So what do I do? 39 times 3, right? Okay, good. So that gives you your 117, which is your first answer. Or A, how much is the price of each badminton racket? So you have found it over here. New here? Give me a follow on Instagram using the link found in the description of this video for quick tips and a peek behind the scenes. I'd love to connect beyond YouTube. Now we go to part B. What is the keywords in part B? It's very short only. The keywords, many. So many is not price, right? Many is how many, and then badminton rackets. Okay. Now, in order to do this, they said 2/5 of the rackets were tennis rackets. So if 2/5 of the rackets were tennis rackets, we can combine the ratio method here. So here we got tennis, and we have badminton. And for every 2 tennis rackets, Kayla, how many badminton rackets were sold? For every 2 tennis rackets, how many badminton rackets were sold? The clue is here. 2/5 of the rackets were tennis rackets. So if every 2 is a tennis racket, then how many are not? Correct. Because 3/5, right? So this is not money. This is how many rackets. We know the price of the rackets. We know that the tennis racket is 273. So I multiply this by 273. I multiply this by 117. And I will be getting the price of 2 tennis rackets, 3 badminton rackets. Okay, this will give me 546, while this will give me 351. All right, now what is the next thing that you think I should be doing? Okay, very good. So you add 546 to 351 and you will get 897. So Jonas, what do you think he just found? 5 rackets. And if I were to call this 5 rackets one set or one group, then one group is $897. Okay, so I'm going to call this one group. Anyway, if one group is $897, what is my next step? Varun, Iwei just told me that he's going to take 17,043, which is correct, by the way, what he's saying is correct. And he's going to divide this by 897. My question to you, Varun, is what am I finding? Very good. You press a calculator, what do you get? 19 sets? Okay, 19 sets. So if there are 19 sets here, and the question is how many badminton rackets were sold, Titit, can you tell me the last step? How many badminton rackets were sold? Very good. Those of you who didn't get it right, do you understand why it is 19 times 3? Are we all clear about that? So it's 19 times 3. Answer is 57 badminton rackets. And that completes question 2. Okay, go ahead and write this down if you need to. Thank you for your time and the love you pour into your child's learning. It's wonderful to have dedicated parents like you here. We certainly need more parents like you. Feel free to browse my website for more inspiring stories and helpful maths tips. The link's below. And don't forget to subscribe so we can keep cheering your family on together.